What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. Today we're back with another e-bike review. This time I got a doozy, another budget-friendly 26-inch fat tire e-bike from Romatlink, and this is their Rhino. I am always happy to review budget-friendly e-bikes, and there's a lot of them coming up on the market. So we've got to separate the good ones from the bad, and this one, I have a feeling, is going to be a great bike. This is the Romatlink Rhino, and it has a retail price of $17.99, but it's currently on sale for $13.99. In the back, we've got a ginormous 750 watt hub motor, 1200 peak max. We've got the battery that resides in the frame, slides out through the bottom with the use of a key. 48 volt, 20 amp hour. This is a 960 watt hour battery. Charge time on this, approximately 6 to 7 hours. This is a class 3 bike, guys. Oh boy, that means a top speed of about 28 miles an hour. We have a twist throttle over here on the right, and the throttle range is up to 60 miles. And if you opt to use the pedal assist, well, you can look at getting up to 80 miles on pedal assist. Water resistance is IPX65. It has traditional disc brakes, not hydraulic, and it comes with a shelf and a wired in rear light. It's got a nice color screen, although it's going to be hard to see today, but very nice and intuitive color screen. You have your Shimano 7-speed, like I said, half twist throttle, 5 pedal assist levels, and you have a couple of headlight buttons, which can be a little confusing. It also has these excellent grips. I love these grips that come out like this. Gives you a nice sturdy place to rest your hand. It's got a horn. That is super annoying. You've got front suspension, but no rear suspension. You have your preload and your lockout adjustments over here. Now, turning the bike on and off is as simple as holding the power button to turn it on, holding the power button to turn it off. Plus and minus for different pedal assist levels. And then you can scroll through trip, your maximum speed, I guess, your average, your odometer, things of that nature. Then you've got a headlight button here, but you've also got a headlight button here. If you push this button, it dims the display, but the headlight does not come on. So we can turn that off. I guess that would be good for use at nighttime. But then you have this headlight button, and when you push it, the headlight does come on, and it has a very bright headlight, guys. That's a nice light. Of course, you've got a taillight, and I love the bikes that come with a taillight. Now, my question is, does it have brake lights, or is it just a taillight? So I'm going to hit the brakes. Nothing. Let me hit the other one. Nope, looks like it's just a taillight, and that's fine. You've got a nice heavy-duty metal shelf here. Not only could you put packages on this, but if you wanted to, you could actually add saddlebags to this so you could carry stuff around like you would on a motorcycle. So the bike itself already seems to be a great deal, but wait, there's more. I just went on their website and I found they're giving away free gifts while supplies last. They're giving you a free bag for 99 bucks. I was talking about saddlebags. Well, that's what this is. It is a bag that attaches to the shelf that goes on the back of the bike. $99 value, free. How about a coated lock? Also free while supplies last. So I already thought this was a great bike for $1,399. But you throw all of that additional stuff in for nothing? This is an exceptional value for this type of bike. The only question is, well, how does it ride? What is it capable of? And how's the battery going to hold out? Because I'm lazy. I'm going to want to use the throttle instead of pedal assist as much as possible. So why don't we get it on the road and let's see what it does. And I think we should start by taking it through this muddy, sandy mess over here. Now, we're not going to spend the whole day running this thing through a bunch of dirt and mud, obviously. We'll take it out on the road and test it on some regular streets as well. But my first test is always running it through the gravel and how does it handle. Why don't we start this video with how does it do in very wet, sandy, oh wow. Oh my goodness, this is some hardcore crap right here, guys. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay, that put the suspension to the test for sure. Oh, wow. Yeah, no joke, guys. This is some really loose, sandy, and muddy terrain. Let's ride it up this little hill real quick. You think it'll make it? Oh, wow. Yes, it will. Oh, man. No kidding. What a tough bike. We're just tearing through the terrain out here, guys. Oh, I get it. No joke. It just eats this stuff up. It loves it. It does. It loves it. Let's get out of this horrible terrain and let's put it back on the road. There we go. All right. Now we're cooking with grease. Wow. That was a lot of fun, guys. I really enjoyed that. It does seem, it's got cruise control. That's another thing to mention. I wasn't aware of that. But if you hold that throttle down for several seconds, it will actually continue holding the throttle for you. You can just let go and let the throttle run on its own. We're cruising right now 16 miles an hour, and if I hit that throttle, boy, we pick up speed very quickly. We're already at over 20. Handles the gravel like it's nothing. Brakes, exceptional. Exceptional brakes, exceptional suspension, very comfortable. Handles the gravel, dirt, and sand very well. But how's it going to react on nice, smooth pavement? Wow. Oh, man. Yep. This thing flies down the road. Steady cruising over 30. We're at 32 miles an hour now. We're going to continue down the road. Then we're going to take it off-road real quick. We're going to go through a little neighborhood. We're going to see how it handles some corners. Boy, this thing just launches. It really gets it down the road, guys. It'll do 30 miles an hour all day long, like it's nothing. This thing is handling every bit of this without a care in the world. 32 miles an hour. We better slow down. We're speeding. Here's a good bump. A couple more. Gravel. Nice. Now we're going to slow it down a little bit because it is wet. We did have some rain. I want to be very careful going around these corners. 18 miles an hour. Felt very confident. Solid bike. More bumps and gravel. The tires are probably a little bit underinflated for the type of road that I'm on right now. I had these drop down for the gravel and the dirt. It's handling it just fine. We're still cruising 25, 26 miles an hour. The question is, how's the battery? With almost no pedaling, hammering on the throttle, full speed, running it through sand, mud, dirt, and gravel. What's the battery look like after we cross that 5 mile mark? Well, we're going to get around the corner and we're going to find that out here in just a moment. I got a feeling the battery is probably just fine. So here we are after 5.5 miles. I left my lights on, so I was riding around with the lights on and everything. I don't think those lights really draw that much power. I don't think they're hurting anything. You can see how bright that headlight is though. I love this headlight. So let's take a look. The verdict is in 5.5 miles and the battery is still fully charged. Yeah, I'm telling you, battery technology has come a long way from back when I was a kid. The fact that you can get on this thing and ride it over 5 miles pretty hard. I mean, I really put these things through their paces with the lights on, and we haven't even touched the battery. Like nothing. It is fully charged and still ready to go. I think I know everything that I need to know about this bike to make an informed decision. And it is not just a good bike, not just a great bike, but this is actually an exceptional bike for the money. I don't know how long it's going to be on sale for, but $13.99, you're going to be hard-pressed to find another bike anywhere near this capable for that kind of price. And then throwing in the bag for the back and the lock as well, it's insane. It's absolutely insane that you're getting this much bike for that kind of money. This is an incredible deal. I'm going to get this video out as quick as I can because I want any of you that are interested in getting an e-bike to have the ability to be able to not just get the bike on sale, but to get it with all the extra stuff that they're giving you. But I'm going to do you one even better. If they're offering any type of a discount code to my viewers, I'm going to get that code and I'm going to put it down below the video. So check the link below this video, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to put a link down there for you, not only to the bike, but if they offer any type of incentive for you watching my video, I'm going to include that for you as well so you can save even more money. But even if they don't, the bike on sale is it's an exceptional deal. And then all the free stuff they're throwing in actually makes it almost unbelievable. So big shout out and thank you to Romatlink for sending us their Rhino 26-inch fat tire e-bike. I've really enjoyed reviewing it. This is an excellent bike and I really, really appreciate them for sending this to us to review for all of you. So if you enjoyed today's video, hit the thumbs up button and let me know. Drop the comments down below the video. Consider subscribing to the channel for more videos just like this. Until next time, stay safe out there, everybody. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.